Hi Newview, thanks for joining us. Today's activity is going to be a nature walk. One of the best ways for us to stay healthy during quarantine is to get outside and move around. So for today, we're gonna go outside, go on a little nature walk, and try and practice a grounding exercise. Our grounding exercise for today is to use our 5 senses. Our 5 senses being sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. For sound, I invite you all to listen to this stream. We can focus on the way the water goes over the rocks, through the fallen branches. And maybe you hear a few birds in the background as well. Try to fully immerse yourself in the sense of sound. For our next sense, we'll play a quick game of I Spy to help us engage our sight sense. I spy something yellow. Some beautiful honeysuckles. Good job. Next, I spy something purple. Little purple flowers. Good job, everyone. Thanks for playing. I Spy can be a fun way for us to engage our sense of sight. All right, Newview, thanks for joining. To engage the rest of your senses, go check out Miss Allie's chocolate chip recipe video. Have a good day. Bonus round of I Spy. Can anyone find the frog? Good job.